Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet these waffle style hair clips. If you are new to my channel, I'm sharing crocheting ideas every week. Please subscribe and turn on notification if you like. Now let's begin. Here are the materials we will be using. So firstly, we will find a yellow yarn and work a slip knot, then chain 11. Now we have 11 chains, then we will turn to the other side and find the second bump from the hook. In this bump, we will work 3 single crochets. Then, in the next 8 spaces, we will work 1 single crochet in each space. Now we come to the last bump. We will work 3 single crochets in this bump. Then, in next 8 spaces, we will work 1 single crochet in each space. Now we finished all the 8 stitches. We will then join this round using a slip stitch. We will chain 1 as the head of round 2, and this chain does not count as a stitch. Now we are at the corner of round 2. Here we have 3 spaces. In each space, we will work 2 single crochets. In this way, we will add 3 single crochets in the corner. Now we finished the corner and come to the side part of round 2. Before moving on, we can cut off the tail. Now in the next 8 spaces, we will work 1 single crochet in each space. Now we come to the corner again, which still have 3 spaces, so in each of the space, we will work 2 single crochets. Then we come to the side part again. We still have 8 spaces. In each of the 8 spaces, we will work 1 single crochet. Now we finished this round. We will join the first stitch using a slip stitch, and then chain 1 as the head of round 3. Now we are at the corner of round 3, which have 6 stitches. Here we will increase 1 single crochet at every second stitch. We will do this by working 1 single crochet in the first space and then 2 single crochets in the second space, and repeat. Now we come to the side of the round 3. We will still work 1 single crochet in each of the 8 spaces. Now we come to the corner again. We will repeat the previous corner, which is to add 1 single crochet at every second space. Now we come to the side part again. We just work 1 single crochet in each space until the end. Finally, we will join the round with a slip stitch and then cut off the yarn. Now we will change it to a white yarn to work the cream lace part. We will firstly work a slip knot. Then join the main body at any position and work 2 chains. Then, in the same space, we will work a 3 double crocheted cluster stitch, which is to work 3 unfinished double crochets. Now we will pull through all the loops and chain 2. Then on the main body, we will skip 1 space and join the second space using a slip stitch. And we will repeat the previous process. Firstly, we will work 2 chains, then a cluster stitch, and then skip 1 space, join the second space on the main body, and then 2 chains. Just repeat until the end. Now we come to the last cluster stitch. Finally, we will join the first cluster stitch using a slip stitch and cut off the yarn. Now we will hide the tail. Now we need a bright yellow yarn, which is about 40 centimeters long, to work the waffle part. Then we need to fasten tails, assemble the hair clips, and done.